You've probably seen people claim that you can make $10,000 a month with AI in less than 30 days. And for most people, especially if you have a job, kids, and real responsibilities, that's just not realistic. But there are AI business ideas that actually make money. And I'm gonna rank 5 of them today based on startup costs, difficulty, how fast you can realistically make your first $1,000, long-term scalability, and whether the average person can actually pull this off. And the last one is one I'm personally focused on and going all in on this year. And if I was looking to focus on just one that could potentially replace my 9-to-5 job in the next 12 to 24 months, this would be it. All right, let's get into it, starting with number 5. Okay, number 5 is AI resume optimization. And this is a hot one right now because there's so many people that are losing their jobs to AI, especially over the next 5 years, that are gonna need help optimizing their resumes and getting another job. And before you say it, yes, I know, this one sounds really boring, but hear me out. Because if you really need to make money fast, this is probably the fastest way to do it with AI. Here's the concept. Use a tool like ChatGPT, Teal, Kick Resume, and you help people rewrite and optimize their resumes for a specific job that they're applying for. AI can help tailor it with the keywords for the applicants, a tracking system, cleaning up formatting, and even make the resume that actually gets a callback. The startup cost? Essentially zero, maybe $100. You can literally start tomorrow. The difficulty level, I'd give it a 3 out of 10. And if you understand how to prompt ChatGPT and you have a basic eye on what a good resume looks like, you're qualified to do this right now. So speed to your first $1,000. It's fast. Seriously, you could charge anywhere from $75 to $150 per resume. If you land 10 clients, you're already at $1,000. People are always job hunting. And like I said, with AI replacing so many different jobs, the demand for this is just going to continue to skyrocket. But here's the catch. This is why it's number 5. Scalability is low. Like really low. There's a ceiling to how many resumes one person can write and review in a single week. You're also competing with a lot of other people that are doing this exact same thing, and the market is starting to get a little bit flooded. You can upload your profile on Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com to get started. So if you're desperate for some quick cash and you need to see money coming in within a couple weeks, start here. But if you're thinking long game, keep watching. All right, number 4 is AI digital products. And this one has some serious long-term upside. But I have to be honest with you on why it's not higher on the list. The concept is pretty simple. You use AI to help you create digital products. Think ebooks, Notion templates, Canva packs, printables, prompt libraries, mini courses, and then you sell them on platforms like Thrivecart, Etsy, ClickFunnels, and my favorite, High Level. My wife Brittany and I have done versions of this on our sites for years, and it works phenomenal. But it does require a lot of patience that most people don't have. But in order to sell your digital products, you're obviously going to need traffic to be able to see them. So we use social media to leverage and market our products. We also use paid ads, and we have a full funnel that basically has upsells and downsells and a membership. And that's why we love using tools like High Level that lets you build out the funnels, sell digital products, have a membership. It's an all-in-one platform that's highly recommended. There's a 30-day free trial link in the description. So the startup costs, they're super low. We're talking anywhere from $0 to $200 if you wanted to use a software. You can build most of these products for free using tools like ChatGPT Plus. So the difficulty is about like a 4 out of 10 to actually create the digital products. But here's what most people underestimate with this. It's maybe like a 7 or 8 out of 10 when it comes to actually getting people to find and buy your products. For this AI business idea, the marketing is actually the hardest part, not the creation of the digital products, like I was mentioning. All right, so speed to your first $1,000. And this is where I want to be completely honest and straight with you. It's slow. Most people don't make their first $1,000 with digital products for 3 to 6 months. And if you're hoping to pay the bills in the next month, this one is definitely not for you. But if you're already doing social media and have an audience already, this is a great one to start and add on to the business that you already have. When we launched our first digital product, which was just a simple budgeting binder, we had an audience already built in place. And when we launched it, we made thousands of dollars in the first day because we knew our audience wanted and needed it. So if you have an audience, you can kind of leverage that to get started. But that's not to say you can't make digital products and sell them without an audience. We've actually been super blessed with digital products. We went all in just a couple of years ago and we've made over $1 million selling them. Now, that is not normal and what you can expect if you wanted to start selling digital products, but I just want to show you and give you a vision and motivation that it can happen. My sister took the course ePrintables, which I'll link in the description. It basically teaches you how to make digital products and then sell them on platforms like Etsy. And she's had a ton of success over the last 6 to 8 months doing so. All right, so let's talk about scalability. This is where it gets really interesting. Once you've built the right product for the right people and they actually start finding it, you can sell it when you're sleeping, when you're at your kid's soccer game, or when you're cooking dinner. We've had mornings where we woke up to sales that came in overnight without even lifting a single finger. That's the dream, but you have to build and put in the work to make it happen. And most people give up before they get there. All right, number 3, and this is where things start to get really interesting. AI Content Repurposing Service. Here's the deal. Every business owner, coach, podcaster, YouTuber, real estate agent out there, they're sitting on a gold mine of content that they don't have time to turn into anything useful. One 1-hour podcast could turn into 20 tweets, 5 Instagram carousels, 3 LinkedIn posts, an email newsletter, a short video, short content for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and most of them don't have the time or skill set to do that themselves. That's where you would come in. You would take their long form content, their podcast episodes, their YouTube videos, their webinars, blog posts, any content they have, and you would use AI tools like Opus Clip, Descript, and ChatGPT to chop it up, repurpose it, and hand them back a full content calendar. Startup cost, again, is basically nothing. And that's what I love about all these AI businesses. Maybe like $50 to $100 a month with a software subscription. The difficulty I'd say is like a 5 out of 10. You need to understand content a little bit in social media and what makes a good hook, what formats are working on what platforms, but AI does most of the lifting for you once you set it up right. So speed to your first $1,000. I'd say it's pretty like medium fast. You can get 2 to 3 local businesses or a couple online coaches at $400 to $600 a month each, and you're already there. Scalability is solid too. I'd say it's anywhere between like medium to high. As you build out systems and templates, you can take on more clients without increasing your work time. Some people are running this at $5,000 to $10,000 a month with a small team helping them. This is genuinely one of the most beginner-friendly ways to land real paying clients fast, because you're already solving a pain point that they already know they have. All right, moving on to the last 2. This is where things get serious. Hey, and real quick, if you're getting value from this video, just hit the like button for me and share it with someone that needs this. And then drop the words free course in the comments below. When you do that, I'm gonna send over our free Make Money with AI course. It gives you my exact step-by-step blueprint, scripts, templates, trainings, live bootcamp, everything you actually need to start making money with AI for free. All right, back to the list. Number 2, and I've got a personal story for this one. A few weeks ago, I helped a local business completely rebuild their website. Their old site looked like it was designed in 2009. It was slow, it was ugly, it was not mobile friendly, and it had 0 conversions. It was costing them customers and lost revenue that they didn't even know. I used an AI tool called Lovable, which if you haven't heard of it, it's essentially an AI website builder that spins up professional looking websites in minutes with just a few text prompts. I went in, rebuilt their site, customized it for their brand, and then made sure it was clean, fast, and actually converted visitors into leads. And they paid me $2,500 for it. And it took me a fraction of the time and money it would have taken with a traditional web developer. And the best part is I got that money up front, but they're also going to be paying me monthly to host the website, maintenance, and have some automations on the back end that I'll talk about later. And I'll be earning $297 a month from them reoccurring. That's the opportunity here. Local businesses, restaurants, contractors, dentists, law firms, real estate agents, they all need websites. And most of them either don't have one or they have one that's really bad that was made 10 years ago. And most of them are not tech savvy, have no idea how to make a website and want nothing to do with it. And they're happily willing to pay someone a premium to make it happen. So startup costs are super low for this one too. I think Lovable is about $25 a month. So you're looking at, $50 to $100 with software. You need to be comfortable with AI tools and have a decent eye for design, but you don't need to know how to code. The difficulty I'd say is like a 6 out of 10. You should definitely be comfortable with AI tools and prompting back and forth like ChatGPT and have a decent eye for what a good website looks like, but you can always find nice ones to kind of emulate online, but you definitely don't need to know how to code. The speed to your first $1,000 is very fast. Once you land that first client, that one website could be anywhere from $1,000 up to $5,000 depending on the scope and how professional the site is. I personally sell custom websites anywhere from $2,500 up to $5,000 in my agency. But here's the honest truth on why this is number 2 and not number 1. This is still a one-time revenue. Every time you need to make money, you need to get another client. You're constantly hunting, and when life gets busy, family stuff, sick kid, rough week, your income can dry up. There's no reoccurring engine behind it. So it's a great way to build fast cash and get an AI business up and running, but it's not a business model that I would rely on forever. Which brings me to number 1 on the list, the one I'm currently all in on myself. If you're serious about building something that could realistically replace your job income in the next 12 to 24 months, this is the one I would focus on, and it's not even close. AI automation for local businesses. And I want to explain exactly what it means because it does sound complicated, but it's not, especially once you understand it. Think about every local business near you. The HVAC company, the dentist office, the landscaping company, insurance agency, every single one of them is losing money because of one of these problems. They miss calls because they're busy, and 80% of those callers will never call back. They'll go back to Google, look at the next business, and call them up and use them. They have 0 follow-up system for leads. Someone fills out a form on their website, and nobody calls them back for 3 days. They're not getting any 5-star reviews for Google, even if they have happy customers, just because they're not asking at the right moment. And lastly, they have no chat widget on their website, so people leave without ever contacting them. Your job is to simply build and manage an AI system that fixes all of that for them. And the crazy part is so easy with a simple software called High Level. I'm literally the worst with technology, and I figured it out very quickly. So this is what we're talking about. Missed call text back automation. So when they miss a call, a lead gets a text within seconds. That way it saves them from going back to Google and going to the next business. Automated follow-up sequences for new leads so that they feel heard and their problems are getting solved. An AI chat widget on their website that answers questions and books appointments for them 24/7. Automated review requests via text so that every job completed turns into a 5-star review. And an all-in-one inbox. So if someone's messaged them from Facebook, Instagram, text message, or email, it all goes to one unified inbox. And again, you don't have to build this from scratch. There's an all-in-one platform that built this exact thing. I personally use one that handles text messages, emails, pipelines, automations, AI chats, AI voice, review requests, all in one simple and easy to use dashboard. But again, I have a free course that's going to teach you how to use the platform and land your first client. Just comment free course below. Again, all the scripts, templates, live bootcamp, live kickoff call, all for free. With a free 30-day trial of the software, you should be able to land your first client that's going to pay for the software, so it's never going to cost you a thing. The difficulty, I'd say, is probably like a 6, maybe a 7 out of 10, mostly because you need to learn the platform and then know how to confidently sell it to local business owners. All right, so speed to your first $1,000. Once you land your first client, you're practically there already. And that is the most important thing, is to land your first client, get money coming in. A basic automation package for local businesses can run anywhere from $500 to $1,500 as a setup fee, and then $300 to $900 as a monthly retainer. I personally will do the custom websites on top of that and then do the back-end automations and charge anywhere from $297 to $997 per month. And again, this is reoccurring revenue every single month. So scalability, this is where the ceiling basically disappears. 5 clients at $500 a month, you're already at $2,500. 10 clients, you're at $5,000. 20 clients, you're at $10,000. Life-changing money. And if you build this business right and you're selling systems, you're not trading your hours for that. You're setting it up one time for your clients, teaching them how it works, and then the automations are doing the work. And that's not hype. This is just simple math with an incredible business opportunity. Look, I want to be straight with you before I close this out. When Brittany and I started our first online business, we were absolutely drowning. I was working as a jail deputy, forced overtime, missed holidays, barely got to see my family. We had over $40,000 worth of student loan debt, a brand new mortgage that we could barely pay for. I just remember feeling the weight of the world on my shoulders. And I just remember sitting in my car one day in the parking lot before a shift thinking, there has to be a different way in life. And there was. But it didn't happen because I found some magic hack or some magic pill or get rich quick scheme. It happened because we picked one thing in one business model and went all in long enough to see the results. And that's my honest message for you today. Not try all 5 of these, that would be stupid. But look at the list. Look at where you are right now and pick the one that makes the most sense for you in your life, your time, and your goals. If you need money fast, start with AI resumes or websites. If you want to start something that scales, start a SaaS company that does AI automations for local businesses. And that's exactly where I'm putting all of my time and energy. The technology right now makes it more accessible than it ever has been before. You don't need to have a computer science degree. You don't need to have a massive following. You don't need to be a guru. You just need the right system and the willingness to take the first step. If you're serious about building something with AI, not just a hype version, but a real version, start with one of these 5s, pick one that fits your life and go deep on it. And again, if you want my free step-by-step blueprint to actually execute on this, comment free course below right now. I'll send it to you. It's completely free. It's got my exact templates, scripts, training, and live bootcamp walkthrough. If this video helped you out, make sure you're subscribed because we drop new videos every week helping you build real online income for your family. And hey, if you want to go even deeper on making money online, check out this new video right here. Watch this one next. I'll see you there. Peace. God bless.